Hello and welcome to another system tutorial. Today I want to show off a new feature that was just implemented so that you may understand a little bit better how it is used and some of the freedoms that we will have with it. So if you're a backer, a contributor to a campaign or any campaign, you've probably come in contact with our shopping cart feature, which is something new that isn't really done by any of the other alternatives out there. And so we wanted to make our site a little more flexible in terms of being able to use it not only as a crowdfunding site, but also as a potential storefront for long-term sales. We understand that it could be very difficult to build up those resources on your own to have an e-commerce site and things like that. And so we understand that this might be a very viable alternative for you, since this is like renting out space on a shelf at a store where people are already apt to be coming and shopping. And the cart right now functions where you will choose a reward, and you can choose any of the rewards that you want, and it brings it into this nice cart where you can see the rewards that you've chosen. You can apply a coupon if that is part of it, and then you select your shipping. We'll use this address here, and it tallies everything up so that you have this nice single checkout for yourself, even though it does tabulate both of these on their own transaction lines in the system for better filtering. So we do have that. Now, let me show you what is new about this. So we have added a new feature where you can choose your rewards, but you notice here now we have a plus and a minus with a 1. You can actually choose to add additional items to your cart like this. So we want 1 digital, and we want 3 physical, 1 for myself, 1 for a friend of mine, and 1 just to have in a bag, and not in a bag and board, not touched. So now you've got these 4 items now in the cart. Even though this shows 2, you've got 4. This is actually showing that you've got 3 times this one right here. So it's $25 tier times 3 plus shipping, and then you've got your $10 tier right there. You can apply codes. This one does have a code of SHIP2 attached to it. So we'll hit apply. Takes $4 off your shipping total. You can choose your card and then your shipping address. And as you notice, now everything is tabulated here together into one transaction. We do have a max number of 5 for each instance of a reward on the platform. So you cannot get more than 5. We decided to do that because we knew that there would be some people that would inevitably accidentally go above that and then have to back out. And if it is a limited reward, we don't want to have to worry about those things. Now there are some pieces of functionality and features to this new feature that we've now implemented that we will be updating and adding new things to that and refining it as time goes on. But right now it is a fully functioning part of the site that you can utilize. And so if you're a backer, this is good news for you. You can get multiples of one single item without having to back out, go and back it again multiple times. You can do it all in one transaction, just like you can with the other tiers. And so that's a pretty exciting new feature. If you have any questions, please feel free to email support@fundmycomic.com, and we'll be happy to answer those. A lot of the shipping now is going to have to be reduced through coupon codes, and so I will be doing another video soon on how to implement and use coupon codes and some of the creative ways that you can use coupon codes with your Fund My Comic campaign. Thank you again for being here and checking us out. Thank you for using the site and being a great supporter of these wonderful campaigns and the creators that are behind them. Have a great day, and we thank you. Remember to build up more than you tear down, and leave that woodpile a bit higher than you found it. Have a great day.